These were the original ones on this side that I didn't fix. So I fixed those ones and I redid this whole side. But of course my girl's not as heavy as I am. So what I'm gonna do is I already glued and clamped these two together. They're about 3 feet. They're gonna fit right here in this space. And I decided to double up, and not just do the single. So what we're gonna do is we're gonna get in here real quick and show you what's on. So what we're doing now is we have our board, okay? We got our board, and I need some glue. I'm gonna glue the back end. We're using Technibond, and I just gotta put a little bead of glue. I had already stirred this up because I had it for so long. Alright. So now what we're gonna do now is we're gonna mush this on. So we get a good bond. I don't want to let a lot of it drip out, so alright. So you just do this here, and then like I said, I have everything already pre-holed and everything, so I just gotta put a couple of things in. I would actually like to let this dry a little bit. I'll let that get nice and sticky. I'll let that get sticky. Give it about 15 minutes and we'll be back.